In this video, I will show you how to use Pingo AI app for language learning. Simply open up your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Pingo AI. From here, you can see language learning Pingo. Click on it. Now download this app. Once it's downloaded, simply click on open. After that, click on this blue arrow. Then choose the language that you want to learn. You have multiple options here. Then click on continue. Simply write down your name, then click on continue.
Nice.
Now tell Pingo why you want to learn the language that you're trying to learn. Now tell it how much Norwegian experience you have. You can say completely new. Now you can turn on notifications for daily reminders. Now simply click on start learning. Then sign in with Google. Choose your Google account. And that's it. Now you can start your lessons from the basic greetings. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.